Hello everyone. Has it ever happened that your faucet drips like the one you see in this image? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem. First, let's see what tools we need. An adjustable wrench, an old fruit knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and a few millimeter sized washers. First, use the knife to remove the plastic cover of the faucet. Insert it into the marked groove and gently move it until it comes off. Now we have access to the inner part of the faucet and its screw. Use the screwdriver to slowly loosen the screw on top of the faucet. After it's completely unscrewed, hold the faucet handle and gently pull it toward yourself to separate it from the cartridge. Now we've reached the cartridge, which is the last part of the faucet. There are grooves on the cartridge that let us open it using the adjustable wrench. Adjust the wrench and turn the cartridge counterclockwise to loosen it. Now that the cartridge is open, you can see the main O-ring and the water control washer. The problem is exactly with this washer. It's lost its elasticity and causes water leakage around it. As you can see, there is a knot holding the washer in place. We need to loosen it with the wrench to free the washer. After removing the knot, use the tip of the knife to take out the washer. Now it's time to install a new washer. Insert the new washer into the same position on the cartridge. If it has any excess materials around it, remove it, then put the knot back on. Tighten it first by hand, then with the wrench. Now the cartridge is fixed and ready to be placed back into the faucet. Put the cartridge inside the faucet and turn it clockwise by hand until it's tight. Hold the faucet firmly with one hand and use the wrench to fully tighten the cartridge in place. Now we need to reinstall the faucet handle onto the cartridge. Do that, then tighten the screw again using the Phillips screwdriver. Finally, snap the plastic cover of the handle back in place. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our page. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.